Let's see the place. Look, it's the room of my mother. That's it. So we find that's it. Mm, That's it. So we're gonna do what we make me better with us. So it's the time we every day we clean this one. It's so hard. No money. That time no money. Need the money for that if I load sometimes I load I record for only 4 edition for along, but sometimes I shorter because my load is limited only. So at that time we're gonna do for for a minute for the recording. So it's so hard the recording. So subscribes with me. So I'm so lucky to have a points. So waiting for my family to send me a money. No money can buy anything that my daughter need. So we need to make some video shot and uh YouTubers. I do YouTuber always YouTuber. So we nice to 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 walk so we can find so many view even we go to outside of the main province. So we do in video just only a while viewing. So nice to look. So in okay later I gonna that I want to 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 my load is now is this day is gone because the end of the my load is only 5 days to 7 days for 100 pesos. All you want to research for viewing or recording. So it's limited. Bye.